Good morning, fellow Ambazonians. Greetings. I bring una revolutionary greetings this day, number 16 day for the month of September 2021. My name na Capo Daniel, Sense Pass King, the Ambazonian Defense Forces Deputy Defense Chief. I don't come this time for can give una revolutionary update where they come from our counterpart, the Biafran movement, IPOD of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, and allied to the Ambazonian Governing Council and the Ambazonian people as such. But first, I want to salute all man for the capital city of Bamenda, capital of the Savannah State, where it then become the resistant capital for Ambazonia. I want to salute all man for their bravery and for encourage people for continue to go out there, do their shopping, get back to normalcy, and only observe the Monday ghost town we did in every country Sunday. Our general did not assure everybody make una no shit down for house be intimidated just by people where they use the microphone, where they not get any person for down for enforce them. But we understand, say people they need to be afraid and to be cautious because of the fear of the unknown. But we know say the revolution it didn't for people their heart, and we know say we rule the heart of our people because we stand for them, we speak the truth, we represent them honestly, and we are doing everything humanly possible to save them. And it's a privilege to do that, and we will do that as long as it takes for us to be free. So, ladies and gentlemen, I just want to give you the update where it come from our allied, the indigenous people of Biafra. They then finally give out their own first press briefing. It didn't take a long time since we will react. The Ambazonian Governing Council will react for the meeting where the Republic of Cameroon and the Federal Republic of Nigeria be getting for Biafra, for sign an alliance, for fight against the Ambazonian people and the Biafran people. We also want to remind our people, say they be done already signed such an alliance will be more detailed for 2001, and this other convention will be taken for Abuja. It will be get any heavyweight from Cameroon. It will be led by Atanganji Paul. Una no say no be person where they respect it for even for a 2D. Na person where they use it for propaganda. Would they get the content of the things the way they be discussing for the conference and for Abuja? It be just been a brainstorm and an opportunity for them for exchange number and maybe probably for enhance their propaganda. And then we see dividend as more Nigerian newspaper that they be forced for push tourism with the Cameroon government in 1 million pucham and vice versa with the Nigerian government. Will be resolute and we'll then get the first meeting on the ground with representative of the forces of the Eastern Security Network and the Ambazonian Defense Forces them for work out further modalities also for carry out our liberation operations and for assist each other actively. I could just read the press release. It can be published by some newspapers already. Our counterpart for the other side for Biafra, Mr. Emmanuel Powerful. I think they use also a name similar to the name we had used Capo Daniel. A tradition for our people them and a way of life for young men to be referred to by their nicknames. So in the statement, the IPOD it talks say the Nigerian government and the Cameroon government they then become restless since the alliance between the two movements from Biafra and Ambazonia. The statement he also talks say the leader Mazi Nnamdi Kanu of the Biafra movement it can be briefed by the meeting where will take place for Abuja between Cameroon and Nigeria. And I quote, the meeting in Abuja between both countries shows the fear of the agreement between Biafra and Ambazonia. The agreement between the two emerging nations have become the nightmare for Nigeria and Cameroon. But unfortunately, there are nothing they can do to stop this emergence. If Biafra was able to survive the 1967-1970 civil war and genocide by Nigeria, supported by Cameroon, some West African countries like Ghana, we shall also triumph over whatever plot they have hacked against us. Biafra and Ambazonia have been divinely ordained to come to pass. No tactics from Nigeria and her counterpart in crime can stop Biafra and Ambazonia actualization. He further talks say the independence of Biafra and Ambazonia are the only things that can guarantee peace in the Gulf of Guinea and the African sub-region, because they are the countries that can guarantee peace in their respective territories. He also talks say we sign a memorandum for collaboration in our struggle for independence. We shall continue to work together as brothers, and the oppressors understand our resolve to synergize, hence their moped fear and anxiety. The agreement and memorandum of understanding have come to stay, and nothing can change it. So, fellow good people of the Southern Cameroon, make we continue for come together, for put our hands together, and for bring our resources them, for access and take full advantage for the opportunities them we don't open for we. We'll get unlimited amount of ammunition. There are ammunition transfer, and we need just to raise money to access these things for our freedom. These are things that are going to benefit all Ambazonia. We don't take time also yesterday for discuss with our refugees waiting there for Nigeria under the United Nations protection. Their spirit is good. I will bring out some of those communications and we'll do one with the governing council after they don't get clearance probably today. May we pray for all our prisoners of war, for God for continue to give them strength. And I want to reassure our people, say our president of the governing council, Dr. Chua Yaba, continue to get high expectation them for the institutions them, and the plan the way they give for we it be effectuated perfectly, and we call on our people them for especially for Bamenda and across Ambazonia for rise up and for follow sound judgment and for live their life inside this liberation movement with the least possible pain, and for no go about being afraid of people who are just using microphones to disturb their life. We know even any Tom and Jake can call for lockdown these days, but it be very important. It is very critical. Say our people them get over that fear, so that they feel continue for live rationally. We will be free, but our freedom it will come only with reality. It will come only with scientific based studies and reasonable decisions that are made for the national interest, not for group interest, not to promote individual or to undermine our struggle. We are so happy with the movements on the ground, a lot of moving parts. I can assure you, Ambazonians, that the governing council, the Ambazonian Defense Forces, our Supreme Commander on the ground, General Efang, our General in Bamenda, I want to greet particularly General Cobra and all the wonderful job they are doing, and our Commander also in Bali, Commander Foolishman, and also for greet all our sister forces, and for tell the population where they be anxious concerning the plan of movement for inside Bali, for just give a little bit patient, a lot of backdoor talks that they go on. I just want to make una be sure so we not leave anything on any stone unturned. So God bless you now. Wanna continue to stay focused. Our people then deserve the truth at all moment. Anybody where they spend time for begin lie our people them, manipulate them based on false informations. Our people then need for stop those entertainment and stay on the reality. as we go to celebrate our Independence Day. The governing council, our general them on the ground, our boys them, our Peking them, our pride, the Ambazonian forces that are inspired with our color. We go to ask all civilian them for raise the Ambazonian flag, for sing the Ambazonian national anthem, and for be inspired by even people them for Europe where they fight to for their independence. Say the day for independence, the day we will give for brave all earth. Now the day we will need for show the world, say we stand for our independence, we need the fear. We must always overcome the fear for we forget our independence. That is the price we pay for standing up. How honorable it will be for those who are brave to stand for Ambazonia. May God bless una all. Now una countryman, una own Peking, Capo Daniel, Sense Pasking, Lukong, village champion. We stand together with all our people them, where they push truck, the one they carry sansan, buy and sell, and then mamin jama them. One way they work farm for tomatoes, for where they do small job them for around quarter. Now when I hold the economy, when I know what really people they go bring na paper money for the exchange and they manipulate people. Now when they do the hard labor, now we, the people them, now we hold the country. A time will come where the honor it will return back for the worker, where the common man it will get voice, where we will live for a society where we get equity, we will live for a society where we get civil liberty, where all man go fit talk, all man go fit participate, where a language where go fit be understood by anybody, it go be used for conduct our state business, where common sense it go stand up over manipulation, where people they no go to get future depending on their family name or place where they come out, place where we go fit be live freely as citizens. We go fit hold our flag, salute our flag, live as patriot. Also, a time will come when freedom it go indeed come for Ambazonia. That coming and that timing depend on us. Even though Jesus, the God be promised the Hebrew people them say go take them out for slavery. After 400 years, when that time become, it be still depend on the people them. The amount of time where they go need for spend them for wander inside desert until they go reach their promised land. Now so it did to for Ambazonia. The time would already cross that Red Sea. They already reiterate the declaration for our independence. How long it could take we for reach for that promised land. Now our attitude and the decision that we will make now it go determine. God bless you now all.